Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald with Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners. And so I'm going to go ahead and answer this question that was asked in my Facebook group. If you all are not a part of the Facebook group, check out the link in the description. Over 40,000 people in that group now. So, Gerald, how do I invest $30,000 as a new investor? How to invest $30,000 as a new investor. Now, I have invested in all types of real estate. Okay. From what I see, a great way to a quick win in 2021 and beyond, even in the past, when I didn't know this niche with regards to real estate investing, I'm going to give you three things, right? Number one, delinquent taxes. Properties that have fallen behind on property taxes. Now, let me give you a little bit of explanation. What you want to do is focus on properties that are at least 2 years and older. Now, you're not focusing on properties that are getting ready to go to tax lien or tax deed auction. That means those properties are too far behind. What you want to focus on are properties that are behind on taxes at least 2 years, if not the 2 to 4 year mark or 2 to 5 year mark. Something to that effect. You just want to make sure that this property is not going to auction, to tax lien or tax deed auction. You don't want that property at that point, but you want it before it gets to that point, okay? Delinquent taxes. Number two, vacant land. Number three, 5 acres or greater, especially as a new investor. Delinquent taxes, vacant land, and 5 acres or greater. I've invested in different types of real estate. By far, this right here seems to be the quickest way, based upon my experience, for a new investor to go ahead and get a quick win. Okay, so I'm going to turn this question over to you all. For many of you that are seasoned investors, drop a comment below. What is the quickest way that you have seen and experienced in investing $30,000? What are some quick wins that you've had in investing $30,000 into any aspect of real estate? Drop them in the comments below, guys, okay? If y'all found value in the video, please click the like button. Also share it with family and friends. Feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you all are looking for free contracts, right? Free contracts, I'm going to have those in the description as well as some additional information, okay? You all take care. Have a great day.